A poor gasket installation can result in a leakage or, even worse, a disaster. Therefore, a set of rules which our video clip series will present stepwise should be strictly observed. Rule number 2. Watch carefully the sequence order of bolts tightening. In order to demonstrate the importance of the bolts tightening order, Test A versus Test B is performed. These differ in bolting sequence, and the final corresponding stress distributions on the gaskets will be clearly shown on Fuji films. In Test A, bolting is done progressively in a crosswise fashion and in 3 rounds. Fuji film of surface stress imprint of gasket A shows an uneven distribution of red color intensity, that is, an uneven surface stress distribution. There is a high leakage risk on one side. In Test B, bolting is done progressively in alternate crosswise and reverse crosswise fashions and in 2 rounds. Fuji film of surface stress imprint of gasket B shows a more even distribution of red color intensity, that is, a more even surface stress distribution throughout the sealing area. This situation is more advantageous than for A. Therefore, remember to tighten bolts in the given orderly manner. Please watch our other videos in the series for practical tips on how to properly install gaskets. In theory, there is no difference between theory and practice. In practice, there is.